Sa kabila ng matinding init at pag-ulan na nagpaantala sa programa, libo-libong Amerikano ang nagtipon sa National Mall sa Washington, D.C. para makibahagi sa pagdiriwang na ika-25 taon ng kalayaan ng Estados Unidos. Tampok sa pagdiriwang ang mga military flyover, concert at isang malakihang fireworks display. Sa kanyang talumpati, ipinagmalaki ni US President Donald Trump ang Estados Unidos at ang 250 taon ng kasaysayan ng bansa na patunay aniya ng katatagan, kalayaan at tapang ng mga Amerikano.
For 2.5 centuries, our American Republic has stood as the crowning achievement of human history. This country is the home of freedom. This is the land of liberty. And this is a flag that's the banner of the most extraordinary, most exceptional, most incredible nation ever to exist on the face of the earth. For 250 years, the United States of America has been the hope, the promise, the light, and the glory among all of the nations of the world.
Binigyang pugay rin ni Trump ang mga sundalong nakilahok sa ikalawang digmaang pandaigdig, Korean War at Vietnam War. Giit niya, ang kanilang mga sakripisyo ang naging daan upang manatiling malaya ang Estados Unidos at mapanatili ang mga karapatan ng mga mamamayan.
Together, we are also reasserting the truth that American strength and power is not something to be ashamed of. It is something that we are very, very proud of. This country has been the greatest force for peace and justice on earth. In the last century, we defeated tyrants, demolished evil, and saved freedom again and again and again.
Sa kanyang talumpati, binatikos rin ng Pangulo ang komunismo at mga grupong aniya ay nagbabanta sa mga pinahalagahan ng Amerika. Inihalin tulad pa niya ang komunismo sa isang kanser na dapat agad na masugpo.
America will never be a communist country. Won't happen. Communism is a loser, and it always will be. The communist system is the opposite of the American system, and the communist system has never worked. Our warriors did not fight communism on battlefields across the world, only to have that menace rear its ugly head right back here in America. We're not going to let it happen.
Binigyan din ni Trump ang lakas na sandatahang lakas ng Estados Unidos. Bilang halimbawa, binanggit niya ang mga kamakailang operasyong militar ng bansa sa Iran at Venezuela bilang patunay umano ng kakayahan ng Amerika na ipagtanggol ang mga interes nito sa ibang panig ng mundo.
You look at Venezuela, you look at Iran, we wiped out their military, and built the strongest military anyone had ever seen. And today it is stronger and more powerful than it ever was before.
Kasabay ng pagmamalaki sa lakas ng puwersa ng sundalo ng Amerika, nagbitiw rin si Trump ng biro tungkol sa posible niyang ikatlong termino.
But it's really hard to get into our military because people respect and love our country again. Our rise to being the world's strongest and most powerful nation was no accident of history. We rebuilt our military in my first term. We used it a little bit in our, actually I should say third term, but I won't do that because I don't want any controversy.
Nanawagan din si Trump sa Kongreso na ipasa ang tinatawag niyang Save America Act. Sa ilalim ng panukala, kailangan magpakita ng valid government ID at patunay ng pagiging mamamayan ng Estados Unidos ang lahat ng botante.
America is back, and we want to keep America great, and we will do so by approving the Save America Act, which means all voters must show voter ID. All voters must provide a little thing called proof of citizenship. And there will be no mail-in ballots except for illness, disability, military deployment, or travel. And you won't have cheating on the elections anymore.
Tinapos ni Trump ang kanyang talumpati sa panawagan na ipagpatuloy ang pamana ng mga nagtatag ng Estados Unidos. Aniya, ang pagdiriwang ng ika-25 taon ng kalayaan ay hindi lamang pag-alala sa nakaraan kundi simula rin ng isang panibagong yugto para sa bansa.
At 250 years old, we may be the oldest constitutional republic on earth, but our country is just getting started because the best is yet to come. This is only the dawn of the golden age of America, and on this 250th 4th of July, we declare, just as they did 2.5 centuries ago, that for our country and for our children and for the cause of liberty, we are going to take our country to new levels, to levels not reached. We're going to make it bigger, better, stronger, and we're going to love it even more.
Binatikos ng ilang kritiko ang pagiging politikal ng mensahe ni Trump sa isang okasyon na karaniwang nakatuon sa pagkakaisa ng mga Amerikano. Nagtapos ang pagdiriwang sa isang malakihang fireworks display na sinabayan ng libu-libong mamamayang nagdiwang na ika-25 kaarawan ng kalayaan ng kanilang bansa. James Bontuyan, humahataw sa balita ngayon.